Hi Fart Faces! Today I have a very special unboxing unbagging because these are from my two friends, Laura at Anxiety Art Adventures and Mariah at Stash Junky. So let's check it out. First, let's open up Laura's gift. So Laura asked for my address and I was like, why? And she was like, don't object, don't ask questions, just give me your address. I was like, okay Laura, don't beat me up. So if you are new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos on a regular basis. If you're not familiar with Laura, her channel is Anxiety Art Adventures. I'll put a link in the description down below. It comes to us in this really cute flower envelope. I really like that. I'm going to reuse it for my own Etsy orders. Clayton is coughing in the background if you did not hear that. And it says thanks. What have we got? Oh my goodness, Laura! I thought she was just sending me WeeWax. Okay. First, we have some jelly beans. I'm going to eat these right after I film this video. She calls me Snoreface and I call her Flora. My name for her is, it means effing Laura. I was like, how do I say this without swearing? And she calls me Snoreface. If you watch my whip and chats, you'll know why. Says thank you. What are you thanking me for? Let me read this off camera. Oh, thank you so much, Laura. This card was really sweet. Waving my hand in front of my face to dry the tears that are going to arrive. Oh, thank you, Laura. This was really sweet. And now Clayton decided to do the recycling, which is the noise you're hearing in the background. This is a very professional channel if you didn't know. So I'm going to eat these jelly beans and I'm not going to share with Clayton because he's making noise while I'm filming. And I got a Zox bracelet. This one's so cute too. Aw, Laura. You put so much effort into people you love. When it comes to yourself, you put all others above. So take a break from the stress of helping everyone else. The time has come to take care of yourself. That's so sweet. So with every Zox, you get a little card like this. Your turn to be happy. Oh, that's adorable. And then it says, your turn to be happy. So you can either wear it this way or you can wear it this way. I'm going to take my Zox off. I'm wearing this one that says set yourself free. And I'm going to wear this one. Oh, thank you so much, Laura. Seriously, you didn't have to send me a Zox. That's awesome. I love it, though. Thank you. Okay, so let's put this aside and let's open up WeeWax. So if you didn't know, Laura sells WeeWax. It's available the first Friday of every month in her Etsy shop, which I'll also link below. You have to be really quick, though, because they sell out super quick. And I've heard such great things about her wax. Oh my goodness. And there's Jolly Rancher. Yummy. And what is this? A lemon. Arbor? Core. A lemon candy. I'm going to eat this one after. And then the jelly beans. Handmade diamond painting wax. WeeWax. I can already smell it. And then there's the information, but you can find this in the description box below. Don't look at my nails, please. I can smell it already. This is Jeremy's Honeysuckle Breeze. Oh my goodness. This was named after Jeremy. I'll put his channel down below because he's awesome too. He got WeeWax named after him. So it comes to us in a gold tin. So ballin', blingin'. Oh my goodness, this is so fragrant. It smells so good. Oh. And the consistency, it's a little bit hard, but I can tell it's a little bit softer. Do I have a pen here? Let's see. Oh, it's a nice consistency too. It just peels up. Look at that. I'm excited to try this. I'll have to try it tonight when I diamond paint. Cool. That's so exciting. Thank you so much, Laura, for sending me WeeWax. And you should know that she doesn't ship internationally. So if you do want to order WeeWax, you will have to be based in the United States. So thank you so much, Laura, for sending this to me as your Canadian neighbor, Canadian friend. I thank you on behalf of all of Canada. So also in your face, Canadians, I was able to get some WeeWax. I'm like one of the whatever 1 in 2 people, 1 in whatever people who have WeeWax in Canada. I feel so special. Thank you so much, Laura. This gift was really nice. I really appreciate it. I love the Zocs as well, and I can't wait to try out your wax and eat all the candy. So we'll put this aside, and then this next thing we're going to open up is my order from Mariah's shop. Mariah is also known as Crazy Diamonds on YouTube. She has an Etsy shop. She just recently opened it. So if you want to check it out, it's called Stash Junky. I'll put a link to Mariah's shop and her YouTube channel in the description box below. So this is my order from Mariah. There's a whole bunch of goodies in here. Comes to us in a black envelope. I like this envelope. I'm going to reuse it. So here's my order. I'm not going to show you because it has my address on it. It says, Bev, thank you for supporting my store. Love, Mariah. That's so nice. So we have, we'll open this first. So we have a little bag of goodies. Oh my God, Tootsie Roll, delicious. What's this? Enchanted fairy dust magical glitter. Not for consumption. Don't eat it. Follow the magical glitter path into a world of imagination where dreams and special wishes come true. Collect all dream-filled colors. Cool. I've never seen enchanted fairy dust before. Interesting. Okay, that's really neat. Thank you. A Laffy Taffy. Clayton is going to steal this from me, so we'll just not tell him that I got a Laffy Taffy. And it looks like we have some stickers. I love stickers. These are so cute. A little kitty mermaid. That's adorable. I forget what this is called. I don't remember what the symbol's called. And then a dolphin. A dolphin with like the planets in it, a planetary system. And then we have a thank you card. And there's her information below here. I didn't know you have a Facebook page. I'll have to check it out. I'll put this information in the description box. And it's called Stash Junky Tins and Things. I love it. So let's put this stuff aside. And then we'll open up this one first. Handmade especially for you. And it's a diamond painting tin that comes to us from Stash Junky, and it is a Micah Jelena tin. And yes, she does have permission from Micah Jelena, so if you're a Micah Jelena fan, you'll want to go and check her shop out. So it's black. Oh, I like this. That's really cool. How did you get that on the tin? That's so neat. It's a black tin, and it says classy, and this is like a rockabilly alternative girl. I love her. I actually forgot that I got this tin. And then there's so I ordered this as well. This is a cover minder of Mariah's shop logo. So it comes to us like this. And then on the back, you have a magnet. And then it comes with a washer. That's such a good idea to have a washer for the second magnet. Seriously. And then put that there. And then the inside of our tin has purple and blue. That's really nice. I don't know what I'm going to put in this tin yet. But I'm going to store that cover minder in there. I'll probably put some stickers. I really want to put one of her tins in my purse so I can stash like little things like bobby pins and hair stuff. So I'll probably use this tin or one of the other two that I have from her. This is my third tin from Mariah. If you didn't know, she gifted me a tin before because she's such a sweetheart. So this is a garbage pail tin. And when I saw these, I was like, you have garbage pail kids? Oh my God. And like I collect, or I used to collect their cards and stuff like that. So that's really awesome that she had garbage pail kids. I'm just going to rip this. So garbage pail kids. His name is Hygiene. Get it? Get it? Hygiene. He actually shaved off parts of his face. That's gross, but it's so amazing. Oh, Hygiene, you're so silly. And the inside of the tin has another sticker in it. Lazy Bones, also guilty of the following crimes. So this is like the decoration for the inside of the tin. There's black paper on the other side. Wow. That's so cute. Wanted for kidnapping. Get it? I get it. That's awesome. And on the bottom it says Stash Junky. That's so cool. Thank you so much, Mariah. So here's everything I ordered from Stash Junky. Oh, candy. And all the bonuses. Thank you so much, Mariah. If you want to check out her shop, I really suggest it. I'll put a link again in the description box below. So these are all my goodies that I got today. Thank you so much to the both of you, Laura and Mariah. I really appreciate it. Mariah, I love your shop. And Laura, I feel so blessed to have you as a friend. Thank you so much for the Zocs and the WeeWax and the candy. That was amazing. Oh, you're so sweet. You guys are both sweet. You're both sweethearts. So I'm going to end this video here. I feel very reminiscent and thankful that I have friends like these two. Like, I did place this order from Mariah, but she included lots of freebies, and it's just nice, like, to support your friend and to get stuff from their shop. And Laura, you know I would have bought WeeWax, but if you ship to Canada, but I understand shipping to Canada is ridiculous. Seriously ridiculous. But thank you so much to both of you, and that's all I have for you today. If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post diamond painting videos on an almost daily basis. I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!